Unit 7, Lessons 1 to 2. Oh no, eel, today. Oh no, she is ill today. Well, fine. He is fine. He is well. Happy. They are happy. Sad. She is sad. Old. New. The bag is old. The bag is new. Are they ill or well? They are ill. The baby is ill. They are well. They are well. He is ill. He is well. She is ill. These things are old. These things are new. Unit 7, Lessons 3 to 4. Number 8. It's number 8. Number 9. It's number 9. Cakes. These are cakes. Biscuits. These are biscuits. Rectangle. It's a rectangle. There are 8 biscuits. There are 9 cakes. There are 9 rectangles. Same, different. It's the same. It's different. The apples are the same. The astronauts are the same. The orange ball are the same. The butterflies are the same.